Is he still at this big one?
Yeah.
It's at the same speed as PS2.
Really?
74. Yeah, look at that score right there. What does that say?
874.
That's right, I'm a genius.
Yo, this kid that got 90% on the song.
Wow. I get higher than
99. Oh, no, sorry, 99. Oh my god. How many mistakes did you miss for? Like 3?
What?
How many notes have you missed? Like 3?
Yeah, maybe.
Unbelievable. Wow. No. Yeah, at the end you had star power.
I got it again.
Yeah. All right, that's incredible. 251,000.
That's 5 stars.
That is 5 stars, but don't give you 5 stars for that.
It is
That is incredible.
I'm just an incredible kid.
95%.
5 stars.
Let's see what you got. Mosh 197%. Flood. That's it.
That's the lowest.
That is the lowest. Yeah, that's mad hard. Okay.